Hey guys, what's up? It's Ali from Speak Up Arena, from Speak Up Arena Conversations. Once again, we are with Danish Bhai, and this time we are going to continue our previous conversation. So, where we stopped was we had a small conversation with Danish Bhai with respect to what he did and his father's business. We got to know a little bit about his father's business, currently what he is doing, and his plans of expansion and his own valid reasons for the expansion plan. Today what we are going to talk about is with respect to his studies, the academic part, what he studied. What we all know, like electronics and telecommunications, and then he started working in his dad's workshop. So without any further ado, let's start. Danish Bhai, Assalamu alaikum. Thanks a lot for coming to Speak Up Arena Conversations once again, and this time what we are going to do is talk a little bit about your academics. Why don't you tell me your school life, your school name, like from where you started, and how was your school life, you as a kid, you as a teenager, and then your move after SSC. What move was it, and why was it, and how was that move with respect to electronics and telecommunications?
So yeah, I was a really quiet kid in my schools.
All right.
Yeah, and as a normal kid, I didn't like to study.
Okay.
So I just had to complete my studies, and
Fine.
then I joined my diploma.
Okay.
And then in diploma, that life was really different from school life,
All right.
because I wasn't a quiet kid in college.
Right. In school. Quiet kid in school, right?
Yes, but in college, I wasn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You were not. So
Yeah.
let's talk a little bit about this quietness, and your not liking study. Till
Yeah.
SSC, you were not that much flamboyant or very much talkative person, and you didn't like study that much.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
what was the reason? Like I do understand we all have nature,
Yeah.
which is being shy, being introvert, being extrovert. But then you told you didn't like school or you didn't like study. What was a main or a couple of reasons you were not liking school or studies that much? And which school you were in?
So I was in Ideal
All right.
High School.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't like the studies because it was quite boring for me.
It was boring.
Yes. Some people like to study, but I don't know how they do that.
So it was boring for you.
Yeah.
But what, all the subjects boring for you, or couple of subjects, or most of the subjects?
Some of the subjects were boring for me, but the English and the Urdu ones were the best for me.
Okay, English and Urdu,
The,
you like
yeah,
it.
the language ones.
Okay, and other most of the other subjects you were not liking them. Not
Yes,
some, like
yes.
most of them you were not liking.
Yeah, history was worst of them.
History,
Yeah.
and why you forget the dates and the names and
Yes,
the
the
acts and
names,
movements
yes.
and all those shits. Cool. What about the teachers? Like the subjects that you were not liking. Was the content not appealing, or the style of teaching for those subjects was not up to the mark or expectations?
So the teachers were really good
All right.
of that boring subject, but
Cool.
the content in the subject were
Okay.
not appealing.
Okay, so it was with respect to you as a person and your likes, which came from inside.
Yeah.
With respect to the subjects, and that's why you were not liking those
Yeah.
subjects. Now, English and Urdu, you liked it very much.
Yes.
And after this, SSC, when you went to college, you took English as a language or Urdu as a language, or were you having Urdu as a language in your college?
I had English language subject, but yeah, it was good. But then I didn't like some subjects in the diploma as well. But there was English as well, and then no other language were
Fine.
there.
Okay, cool. Now, which college may I ask?
The Mochala College. I was in Mochala Polytechnic.
All right, and this college you choose. I mean, you chose, or you were suggested by someone, or something else?
Yeah, it was suggested by my cousin brother.
Cousin brother.
Yeah.
Because he's from that college he studied, and it was a nice college according to him.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool. So due to word of mouth, due to mouth publicity, you just went with that.
Yeah.
Did some research or not? Nothing?
No, I just
Okay, word of mouth you went.
yeah.
Uh, the subjects, like the stream selection.
Yeah.
Which stream you chose? As we all know, it was electronics and telecommunication. But the question is like, was that also you were suggested or you took from your choice? I mean, from your heart.
So I was gonna choose electrical
Mhm.
stream, but then it wasn't available in the Mochala college, as it was the nearest college available.
Okay.
So there was only electronics available, so that's why I chose it.
So electrical was not available.
Yes.
Fine. And then when you chose electronics and telecommunications, you told that from a quiet guy, I became a bit opposite. What were the reasons, like why you became a bit or more active compared to what you were, like shy kid in the college? And how was your life in college in electronics and communication? Like, did you like the subjects, the environment? Did you bunk the lectures? Did you didn't bunk the lectures? The faculty and all those things.
Yeah, I bunked the lectures as well
Okay.
in the college.
All right.
And then the friends were really good in my college
Uh-huh.
till the first and second year. Then
Nice.
they some got dropped out, and
Okay.
then
Fine.
yeah,
They got
these
dropped
things.
out.
Yeah, then the life in the college became boring as well.
Boring?
Yeah. After
You were
that.
having friends, but still it was boring.
Yeah.
And
After this first or second year,
Alright.
it started getting bored.
and then you started like going to the college but not attending the lectures. Was it
Yeah,
like
I was attending the lecture, but not attentively.
that? Okay, that much.
Yeah.
And then you were spending time in the library or somewhere else, or just
Outside
having
the
fun?
college.
Okay, like you all do.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll try to cut this part.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So this was your academic life.
Yeah.
Now tell me about the faculty.
Okay.
The theory part, the practical part. How was it? The combination, was it a strong combination, or it was just like other colleges, just for the sake of completion of syllabus, because it is a big college, Mochala
Yes,
Polytechnic,
yes.
right?
So the faculties were good there,
Mhm.
but there were some
Some some sections of improvement.
yeah there is yes, but my head HOD was really good
Uh-huh.
in teaching as well, and she was really supportive as well.
Okay.
Yes, so I liked that
All right.
in my college.
And if you had to give suggestion to the college to work upon some areas,
Okay.
which areas would that be and why? Because you told about the strong point, like the HOD was good, really supportive, good. Were there some areas of improvement? If yes, then what and why? What would you suggest?
I really don't know how to make improvement
Okay.
in the teaching style, I guess.
Okay.
There should be some
Okay.
improvement.
Okay.
Yes, because I really don't understand some of the
Okay.
theories and stuff.
Cool. So some of the concepts must be
Yeah.
taught from a different way so that
Yes,
it can
yes,
be
yes.
taught.
Yes, like easier way and playful way, like that.
Great.
Because the lectures gets really boring in
Okay.
the after some time.
All right.
Yeah.
Scope of improvement in teaching style
Yeah.
for a couple of concepts, which is a bit complex.
Yeah.
Right. Now, I want to know about the practical side. How so this practical side, how much it is connected with respect to the real work that you are doing right now.
Yeah.
After completing your college, after completing your diploma, right now you're working with your dad in his workshop. I know you have just started and you are learning, and you need to learn a lot. But then when you see what you have spent 3 years with respect to theory and practical, and here you are working yourself, you're seeing the real world stuffs, and you're working, trying to learn to work. How much you feel they are connected and aligned, and it makes justice, the college, the 3-year college, makes justice with respect to the real world shit.
So if you study properly from the books, they are connected with the
Okay.
real life.
Cool.
But the practical I was doing in the college
All right.
were a bit different from the real world, because it was there was really different equipment I work on.
I know. Okay. So now in that case, I think, may I ask, like, in how many years the college syllabus changes?
Okay.
Any idea?
No, I don't have that idea.
In my case, like the syllabus was changing in 10 years. I'm not sure in your case, like it's 5 years or 6 years or 10 years, I don't know. But I guess what the problem is, the technology is very fast and rapid. New machines are coming up, and new machines have new applications, like they can help more and in a different way, manner, and many techniques change. That's why we are studying what the old structure we have, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. It is too old because technology is coming, every 3 months, quarter, or maybe 6 months. Right? In that case, I think I may be wrong. Maybe in that case, we need to revise syllabus, especially with respect to the market perspective. When it comes to practicals, maybe that could be of some advantage or some benefit to the students. What do you think about this?
Yes, I really think about that because the technology is really improving right now
and fast
and really rapidly increasing.
Exactly.
And then we have to do something for that as well.
Exactly, to match the pace,
To match
at
the
least
pace.
to some extent.
Yes.
Right. And now when you come, okay, it is like it was from this. I never saw this in college. Did it happen sometimes with you? I never heard about this in college, especially in practicals. Cool. So guys, here we will stop, and as we got to know that his life, Danish Bhai, how he changed, and of course friends have a great influence, and Danish Bhai also had that influence with respect to the friends. He became a talkative person, which is very important. He opened up a bit more, and then he enjoyed the college, like bunking, but then at the end of the day he got to know that the college are really helping him in some cases, but in some cases we do need a lot of improvement with respect to the teaching style. So this was it from this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me and let us know how we can improve, and we'll try keep bringing videos like this. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do. There's a lot of content, valuable content we are trying to create and bring it to you, and I'm very much thankful to Danish Bhai for giving his precious time, and inshallah we'll keep calling Danish Bhai, we'll keep calling other people. Till next time, take care, stay safe, bye bye.